Hi guys, I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my channel. In case you are new here, karibu sana, and in case it's your first time to come across this channel, kindly subscribe guys, and let's get to 2000 subscribers guys. So today guys, as you can see, I'm from the balcony. I love this environment. So we're still adjusting to our new house, and yeah guys, so as I told you, more videos coming up. And today guys, but before we start the day, I want to show you what I came up with from the balcony. So yeah guys, let me show you this view. So guys, that's my view. It's around 12 noon actually, so you can't see it clearly, but in the morning it's so amazing. And yeah, that's my view guys. I'm loving this view every morning. So yeah guys, and something else. So guys, I decided to plant some flowers. As you can see, I came with them from the village. My mom gave me this flower. Even the soil, I carried it from the village. And on this side, I'm trying to plant these flowers. I was told they are so good even for the mosquitoes. No mosquitoes can enter in this house, even though we use mosquito nets. Don't mind the container until they grow. We figure out what we can do with them. So yeah, guys, I need to return these shoes inside the house. And then again guys, so today, let me face you. So guys, today's video I decided to clean my 3 bathrooms, because you know we have to keep washing them because of the stains that are there, because it's a new apartment and it comes with all colors and all. So yeah guys, I'm trying to wash them today guys. I decided to wash only the bathroom, because if I decide to wash even the house is clean actually. I washed it yesterday, I think, in the evening. And then so I decided to wash the bathrooms today. So I will take you along guys, and yeah, let me show you the stains I'm talking about. But first, let me pick these shoes. So guys, I decided to start with the master bathroom because it needs a lot of work. So guys, these are, let me show you the stain. These tiles are white, you know, and then you can see clear the stain like this. So I want to see whether they can come out today. You see these stains, I don't like them. I want my bathroom to be as clear and white as it should be. So guys, that's the mirror. Yeah, let me go get the water, the buckets and all the soaps. They are in the laundry, so let's go get them. So guys, this is where a bucket. Mama, don't go anywhere. So I need to use this blue one. I'm going to use a little Omo. And what else? So guys, I want to see whether I can use the wire, whether it will work. So I'll use one of these. Hopefully it will work guys. So guys, this is it. This is how I removed it. So let's go get the work done. We see whether it will work. I don't like bending things. So my ring light broke, so I'm going to use just the bathroom light. It broke.
back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Take me back to a place where I felt at home. Take me back to a day when we weren't alone. Take me back to an age when the world felt small, way back before we blew it all. Too many things going on, I can't keep track of them all. From people dropping a bomb to people putting up walls. I feel like life is on hold, perception stuck in a vault. I know that time can heal all, but how much time till we fall? It's awfully chilly outside when there's no shelter to hide. When everything is a lie, you'll find that out in some time. But when the things on your mind are all considered a crime, communication aside, we'll all just fight till we die. Is this an argument or just the start of it? Either way, I don't wanna be a part of it. Can I just get some space? I don't have the heart for this. I can't be picking up the pieces, fixing scars from this. Is this an argument or just the start of it? I wanna drive away so I can be so far from it. I wanna find a place where no one breaks their promises, or maybe drown myself in something.
So guys, I wanted to use the pipe, but it won't work. It can't fit, the pipe can't fit that tap. It was a bit easier, but I'm going to use the jug. So guys, I'm in Taraji's bedroom. Actually, I want to wash her bathroom, but it seems so big, or am I getting tired? Because I'm getting tired. So since I've noticed the tiles, the downstairs tiles can't be put until I buy that stain removal, which will recommend for me guys. I'll still research which one is better for the bathrooms, because these tiles need that stain removal guys, because it can't be moved by just vehement wire. That's what I've realized. So let me get to it, because I wanted to take at least 2 hours washing this bathroom, but now I have used like 1 hour in my bathroom. So let me try to try and as much as possible, because my baby needs attention. So let me start with here. So guys, in this bathroom I don't need even light, it's all natural. So let me get started. So guys, I'm on the last half bathroom, because guys, cleaning this bathroom wasn't a good idea, all of them at the same time, but I have to finish this because I'm getting tired. It wasn't a good idea to combine all of them at the same time, but when my mind is made up, I have to finish this. So I'm still on my 2 hour. I don't want to go above that 2 hours. So guys, let me go clean that half bathroom, and it doesn't need a lot of work and like Taraji's bathroom, but you guys, I'm getting tired. So let's go. So guys, I will just film from here. Don't know if you can see. This is serve a bathroom with no shower. This is for the guests when they need to use the bathroom. So that's how it looks like. It's actually huge, but yeah, let's get to it. So guys, since there is no tap here, I need to fetch the water from the other bathroom. So guys, I'm done with cleaning the 3 bathrooms, and I'm going to show you how they look like after they have dried up. I don't know whether they have dried up because I just washed Taraji, and yeah, but you can see, you'll see them clearly. Jesus! Guys, I'm so tired. So yeah guys, let me show you how they look like, and yeah, you tell me what you think on the comment below. I think I should be washing them one by one. I can't be washing them like all of them at the same time because it's taking so much energy from me, and I need to do other things. So yeah guys, that's why I'm so tired. And yeah, let me show you guys. So guys, we'll start with this half bathroom. I don't know whether it's white in color, but I don't know why the phone is taking this color. I don't know, it's because of the light, I don't know. And there you go, my mirror here. Okay, that I haven't been able to put the tissue because it's still wet, that thing, and that's how it looks like. Guys, welcome to the master. This is the worst now. This is a bit dry, and voila, some parts are not dry yet, but with time they will. I hope guys you can see what I'm seeing. I can eat from here. Oh my god, so white. Then they have installed good lighting. But how about there? So guys, instead of taking Taraji's bathroom, it's the same as ours because actually it's the same. It's just that Taraji is a bit huge, but anywho, she's asleep right now, and I don't want to wake her up. She's asleep right now, guys. The ones can't come out because the way I'm tired. She's asleep, and I don't want to wake her up. So yeah, it's just the same as ours. So yeah, and again, so guys, I hope you like this video. Share me out guys with your friends on Facebook, on Instagram. So yeah guys, and leave a comment and subscribe if you haven't. So until my next video, bye bye.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.